Hi everybody, today we're going to be making the Poop Flicker 2000. Poop Flicker 2000. You ever notice when you bring chickens home, they're so cute, they're adorable, and about every 20 steps that they take, they make a poop. This is too much poop. I mean, if they're up on the hill or in the grass, peace be with you. How do you do that? How does the Pope do it? I don't know how he does it. But I mean, the chickens are pooping on the patio, on the cement, where we walk in and out of the house. That's unacceptable. That's a problem that needs to be handled. Shh. I'm filming. Now I know the general idea behind picking up poop is picking it up, but just because that's what everybody says, does that mean it's right? Does that mean that's the only way? What I'd like to suggest is we move this poop with such velocity. Am I centered? There, that's better. It is moved at such fierce speed and velocity with so many pounds per square inch behind it that it simply turns into crumbs and vapor. And the fertilizing of your yard begins. All right, so what you're going to want to do, get a piece of wood like this one. I got one that's about 2 inches by about 3 feet long, a little bit of flex to it. I think it's redwood, what do I know? And then also, you're going to get a little hunk of wood as the handle. See that grip? Then I'm going to just shoot a little hole into the wood and perhaps a spot of glue. Good morning, Mr. Wait. Have some tea. Have a spot of glue. Thank you. Don't mind if I do. All right, so there's that. Oh, I put that on prematurely. Without this hole, the wood would surely split, and you would have a big L on your forehead. Solid. I love it. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's DIY video and making your very own Poop Flicker 2000. Now, you don't have to call it a Poop Flicker 2000, but please call it something. Things that go without a name are just sad. And now let's see this thing in action. You're gonna love it. Hello? Yeah, tell him I'll sell him the script, but I want to direct it.
Hi, honey. I'm home, and I bought a pack of cigarettes while I was at the deli.